Hi, as part of this session, we are going to discuss few mock interview questions. So let's start with a small quote. Happiness is your nature. It is not wrong to desire it. What is wrong is seeking it outside when it is inside. So let's start our questions here. Can you name few integration patterns? How can you convert source format to metadata format through SFDX? What is report type? And what is the limit on number of batches for both bulk API and bulk API 2.0? How many number of records that can be processed per day with bulk API or bulk API 2.0? Can bulk API 2.0 query jobs support Salesforce big objects? So think for a few seconds, then I'm going to reveal answers. And one more thing I want to say, whenever we talk about limits or governor limits in Salesforce textbook channel or anywhere you are listening this kind of governor limit questions, you always try to go through the official document on that day. Okay, because it may be vary from the day we are giving you the answers. Okay, let's see. Can you name few integration patterns? What kind of integration patterns we have? Request and reply, fire and forget, batch data synchronization, remote call-in, UI update based on data changes, data virtualization. I suggest go deeply about each and every integration pattern. It is already available through the documentation of Salesforce. Go through that. Okay, these are all the patterns we have. How can you convert source format to metadata format? You have an SFDX command or SFDX command that is force colon source colon convert. So here directory name is a folder where you want to hold that converted source format to metadata format. What is report type? So basically you have different kind of report types, standard report types and custom report types. Right? When you want to create any report, you definitely need to have a report type. Right? So then what is report type? Report type is like a template that makes reporting easier. The report type determines which fields and records are available for use when creating a report. Okay, this is based on relationships between primary object and its related objects. And one more thing you have to remember, you can't customize or you can't remove or add fields on standard report type. You don't have that availability. But you can create your custom report type whenever you need more fields, whenever you want to remove fields. Then you can create custom report type and you can customize also in the case of removing the fields or adding the fields and renaming the column headers. These kind of things you can do with custom report type. Now, what is the limit on number of batches for both bulk API and bulk API 2.0? 15,000 batches per day. So you always need to remember whenever anyone talks about limit in Salesforce, you always need to depend on the current limits on current year. Okay, that's always you have to remember because it may vary from the release to release. They may increase. How many number of records that can be processed per day with the bulk API or bulk API 2.0? 150 million records per day. Can bulk API 2.0 query jobs support Salesforce big objects? Yes, with recent releases, they started supporting big objects also. Okay, you can go through these references. I'm going to give these references under our YouTube video. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. All the best.